On today's video, guys, the spring, no, not the, oh my god, I'm so stupid. The rainy update just came back out. This is my honest reaction. I just updated the game, and I'm here with my friend, Undertale fan. Snow, I can't see your name. Snow Monk. Yeah, so, better go check out all the other stuff. I'm so stupid. The fall, spring update? No, it's the rainy update, my guy. It's the freaking rainy update. Yo. Oh my god.
Well, technically, it's not really the rainy update. It's like the rainy flashback. But
a flashback cell, yeah. But still, oh my god. Yo, they got the. I will freaking punch you with my boots, man. Come here.
They really got that.
One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Hey. And we got the yellow boots.
I'm gonna shove this up my.
Oh, frick you, useless. Hold up. The best idea.
Oh, yeah.
If I can get it just right.
Sucky.
Ah! Hey, yo! Then we got, yo.
We got that one.
Fight me, fool. Hold on. I gotta go get the other umbrella. No, so this umbrella.
I only got 3.
It's solid. I want 7 million shiny rocks.
We got the tiny umbrella, bro.
Bruh.
Nah, bro. We got that tiny umbrella.
But yo, I'm about to have. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. I'm gonna fight you. What up? I gotta get the sickest frick.
You gonna fight me? You wanna fight me?
Yeah. Fight me. Get smacked. Stab. Chop your head off. I got him.
Right,
Shield.
Right, seriously, let's actually react now.
But still, this is crazy. These umbrellas, just update. Really? Oh, wait. Yo, look. In the golden umbrella, you can see city. You can see city in the umbrella.
Oh, yeah. If you actually.
Yo, it shows the basement update. It shows the basement update. Whoa.
Yeah, like, it brings you to the past.
Yeah. It brings you to the past. Nothing else has really changed besides, the update and the rain. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.